Hi everybody, welcome back to Steve's Garage. Despite the channel name, I've actually never gone into any detail about the garage. In fact, when I first started filming, I should have called it Steve's Apartment Parking Lot because that's where I did all the work. So much so, in fact, that I had a neighbor tell me they would never buy a Volkswagen. It just looked like way too much work. But it was just normal Mark IV maintenance. It's nothing to be afraid of. After a couple apartments, one that did have a pretty nice two-car garage, we moved into a house with a unique space. I never thought about filming a video because it wasn't a shop. It didn't have epoxy floors and Challenger lifts and Snap-on toolboxes. But that's why I've changed my mind. There's a lot of information as to what you can do with the right space and a pretty large budget. This is a small space with a reasonable budget, and that's why I want to share what I've done here. If this sounds interesting to you, please click that subscribe button. There'll be plenty of more videos. As for now, you can hit episode 1, and that's where I cover kind of the history of the garage and what I've done up until now. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Catch you next time.